Welcome. If you often find yourself scrolling through countless files on Dropbox trying to locate your spreadsheets, today's guide is just for you. I'm going to show you how to quickly search and filter only spreadsheet files in the Dropbox app. This updated method saves you time and helps you stay organized. So let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Whether you're using it on your phone or tablet, the interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're inside the app, you'll notice the search bar right at the top of the screen. Tap on it to begin your search. Now, instead of simply typing keywords and sifting through mixed file types, you can narrow down your results to only spreadsheets. To do this, look for the filter icon near the search bar. It usually looks like a little funnel. Tap on this icon and you'll see several filter options. Among these options, find and select the file type filter. This is where the magic happens. Choose spreadsheets from the list of file types, and Dropbox will automatically limit your search results to only include spreadsheet files like Excel, Google Sheets, or similar formats. After selecting your filter, enter your search terms related to the spreadsheet you're looking for. This could be part of the file name, content, or keywords you remember. Once you hit search, you'll see a clean, filtered list showing just the spreadsheet files that match your criteria. From here, it's easy to browse, open, or manage the files you need without any distractions from other file types. Whether you're looking for sales reports, budgeting sheets, or project trackers, this method ensures you get to the right files quickly and efficiently. And that's it. By using the search bar along with the file type filter for spreadsheets inside the Dropbox app, you can streamline your workflow and keep your documents organized with just a few taps. Give this method a try next time you need to find a specific spreadsheet, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching.